To track your GNC order, visit the Track My Order page. If you are not a registered user, use the order number, order email, and billing zip code to check your order status. If you are a registered user or a MyGNC Rewards member, sign into your account and go to the order history section to view and track your order. Once your order ships, GNC will send you a confirmation email with a tracking link. Click the link to view real-time updates about your shipment. Keep in mind that the tracking details might take 24 to 48 hours to update after the order is shipped. If you selected in-store pickup, the status will update to ready for pickup once your items are prepared at the store. If your order status shows as cancelled, it means the item is no longer available and you will not be charged. For assistance with cancelled orders or other concerns, contact GNC's customer service through their help page or by visiting a store.